Hi, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to stop Acorns from taking money. I know that Acorns is a popular app, and it can be a great way to save money. However, there are a few things to keep in mind before you sign up. First, Acorns is a subscription service. This means that you will be charged a monthly fee, even if you don't use the app. The fee is currently $5 per month. Second, Acorns uses your debit card or bank account to round up your purchases to the nearest dollar. The extra change is then invested in a portfolio of stocks and ETFs. Third, Acorns may not be the best investment option for everyone. If you're looking for a more hands-on approach to investing, you may want to consider a different app or platform. Now, let's get into the meat of this video. How to stop Acorns from taking money. There are a few different ways to stop Acorns from taking money. Cancel your subscription. This is the most obvious way to stop Acorns from taking money. You can cancel your subscription by going to the app settings menu and selecting Cancel Subscription. Disable roundups. If you don't want to cancel your subscription, but you don't want Acorns to round up your purchases, you can disable roundups. To do this, go to the app settings menu and select roundups. Then, turn off the roundup switch. Delete your Acorns account. If you want to stop using Acorns altogether, you can delete your account. To do this, go to the app settings menu and select Delete Account. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for stopping Acorns from taking money. Unlink your bank account. If you're concerned about Acorns accessing your bank account information, you can unlink your account. This will prevent Acorns from being able to make any transactions. Contact Acorns support. If you're having trouble stopping Acorns from taking money, you can contact Acorns support. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and resolve the problem. Conclusion. Acorns can be a great way to save money, but it's important to weigh the pros and cons before signing up. If you're not happy with Acorns, there are a few different ways to stop them from taking money. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.